Toothy.
of Colorado. What? Did you like the mountains? Did you like the mountains? Adam, did you like the mountains? Stop it. If you puke, I'll kill you. 'Cause it'll be all over me. Oh,
Oh, shit. Shit. Adam, chill. Chill.
Stop it. Adam, did you like the snowballs?
And the red one and the tea.
I know. So what was your favorite part? Did you like this throwing snowballs?
I want one.
You want one?
Yeah.
Did you like the ladybugs?
They're too scary.
They're too scary. How come? Did you like the castle? Did you like the castle? Hey.
Adam, did you
Stop.
see chipmunks? At the castle, you saw chipmunks?